Ki arteli ki kenhun yala kai football kata ka Nepal bat ka Iran ki lalong ki balapan kre abani kon persya lashai kasngi ha ka Women's Trial National International Tournament ha Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Polo. Abakren bikinong thok bor u coach ka Nepal unabin New Pani ulaong ba kane kamdei ka sin ka banangkong ka jong u ban wan yu kachat hanong ba Shillong. Ula wanteng ha ki por ka baladep Bat habaidei bat kani ka tournament unabin ulaong bagi arteli ki kanhun kiba ka kanhun jungu kan habani khun persya kilong kiba khlain ka jinga khun kan long ka itanat namar ka kanhun junguru kalong ka balapan khre ban mi badan bat ka thong ka bagi don kalong ban yo bek ya khalai pon nagaleng jong ka coach jong ka Iran ka Marzie Jafari Bahavati kalaong ba ka kanhun yala kai jong ka Nepal kalong ka bakhlain bat ke jingele la shai kasngi kan long ka bai tenan.
Thank you very much. This beautiful city, Shillong Nazam. I came here last because this is my second time. Shillong Nazam, the football environment is very good over here. And the thing is, we're playing tomorrow. Both team, India and Iran is a tough team. So we saw the match against India and Iran also. They're very good. We're a strong team. Obviously, we are ready for the match. I hope we give our best. Every second is important in the match. So we are really excited to play the match tomorrow.
First of all, this is the second time for me in Shillong, and we know India and Iran, they are really good, and already they won one match. They are now comfort zone, so it's like we have a little bit pressure for this tournament. And also these two teams are already qualified for the Asian Cup, so they have little bit confidence more than us. So for the result, we are ready to fight.
And now we have a young player to the squad, but tomorrow we'll play for the 3 points. All the football fans of Nepal also is excited for the match. We're playing an attacking game. Obviously, we give a good pressure and good game tomorrow.
You have played with India, a lot of upsets were there in the past, and now Iran defeated India. So how do you see the team now? How well mentally prepared?
Yeah, obviously we played with Iran one time and against India I think 8th time. So both teams are very strong. So because of Iran and India match, Iran is a little bit comfortable too. So we are ready. We research that game. Moreover, the game was very tough, but we give our best till 90 minutes.
The country, the team had ups and downs.
Yeah, it's very good for us because we are playing two strong sides. Both teams are the ranking of both teams are up. So definitely these two games give us more more strength for the team for the upcoming players too. Upside down is another part, but in the field we have to give our best and we go for the 3 points.
When the country was going through
only the football questions, please. If anyone else has any questions. One question to the player.
We already faced against India so many times, they are really good team. As well Iran, they already qualified for the Asian Cup. This is a very interesting tournament for us and to improve our football as well. And also it's really a great chance to Shillong, the young generation to motivate themselves from this tournament. So we are ready to fight and we are ready and yeah.
And opportunity and challenge for me to lead the team. Obviously, result oriented, but I try my best to give the best result for the team and the country too.
So how do you access Nepal's chances against the other team? If you have seen the other opponent team have in the last match.
Yeah. Both are as you can see that both are very tough team. But we are ready for the match because we have good quality players. So every second is important. So every second we fight for the 3 points. So we are focusing on that.
Just one more question, sir. So beyond winning, what other outcomes or experiences are important for the team?
Yeah, definitely. We're playing against the strong side. So experience of we're focusing on a long-term planning of there because not only this is friendly, we are focusing on the sub championship. So I take responsibility till sub championship. So we are focusing for the big players to have a great experience from this game. So I think it's good for us.
So do you have any message for the government of Meghalaya?
No, it's a beautiful city. I will mention you that I came here. It's my second time. Before the beach was not good. Now I saw the beach. It's really good. The beach is really good. Only about that it's international tournament, so little bit uncomfortable in the accommodation. Only that's it. Other thing is going to be good.
As a captain, like I have to lead myself from the front line. So like as a player, like every single second, like we have pressure to win the match. So like for me, for the team, like I don't feel like we have to take the pressure. So we'll play our game like simply. Yeah.
Is there any teammate do you really rely on the most during match days? Any teammate
Any teammates from here,
from your team?
from my team?
Can you repeat the question?
Which teammate do you rely on?
Awesome. So like for me, like each and every player I have importance. So like.
And do you have any pre-match rituals or superstitions that you follow before the match?
I have no idea about this. Right now.
خوبی ما براتشون باختیم ولی اومدیم که اون ضعف رو برطرف کنیم. امیدوارم که فردا شاهد یه بازی خیلی خوب باشیم.
She said that good afternoon to everyone, and she said that this tournament totally is very good tournament, and the Nepal is very good team, and the last time we lose from this team, but now we come to recognize ourselves and to be good in this tournament. And I think that tomorrow we have watched a good match.
You know,
بازی هند و ایران بازی خیلی خوبی بود. بعد از اون بازی تمرکزمون گذاشتیم روی بازی نپال و خاطر ضعف و قوتمون توی هند دیدیم. سعی می‌کنیم اونا رو برطرف کنیم و بازی قابل قبول خیلی خوب روی نپال انجام بدیم.
She says that the match between Iran and India was very good match, and after that we try to recognize our power and weakness points of ourselves, and try to resolve our weakness points and try to win the Nepal.
We scored the two.
فوتبال امیدوارم که بازی خوبی انجام بدیم.
Says football, I can't I can't know about the sport of the Nepal, and football is like this.
You have only played once against
فوتبال نه بازی کردیم ولی تو این چند سال اخیر یک.
No, we have many matches in Nepal, but in the 2 last years ago, I think only one.
Do you think it will be very easy for you? Very easy?
No?
Much.
No.
If anyone else has any
برای هر دو تیم احترام زیادی قائلم و فکر کنم هر دو تیم خوب.
She says that we respect to both teams and we think that both of them is very good.
is
خوشحالم که توی مسابقات شرکت کردم و تبریک میگم بهشون. بسیار حمایت میکنن بانوانو و کار فوق‌العاده بودید و من به عنوان یه بانو ازشون تشکر میکنم که بانوان حمایت میکنن.
Adding to the question.
just a minute.
Yeah, go.
She says that I'm very happy to attend this tournament and such as a woman, I'm very happy and I'm proud of them and we say them this is very good that to cover the women football and this is very good condition.
Adding.
خیلی خوشحالم که اینو میشنوم ولی و فکر میکنم که این بازی‌ها و این تورنمنت ها خیلی کمک میکنه به بالا بردن سطح فوتبال بانو.
She says that I'm very happy to hearing this and I think that like this tournament and like this match help very a lot to better of to be better to the